Ndị be anyị ekele m unu. This is Ka anyị sụọ Igbo ụmụaka. Today we're bringing you Ekele ndị Igbo, Igbo greetings. As you know, Igbo language has various dialectical variations depending on the localities. In Ka anyị sụọ Igbo ụmụaka, we mainly use Igbo Izumi, which is the so-called Central Igbo. However, in this video, we have tried to include other variants, as we normally try to do. If there are any of these greetings, probably those used in your locality, that are not included here, you can leave it in the comment section. We'll be glad to use them in our future videos. Thank you very much. Ndewo. This is the commonest greeting you would hear in Igbo land. It simply means hello. It's an all-purpose greeting, which means it can be used at any time of the day and for any occasion. In the morning, ụtụtụ ọma, ị bọọla chi, ị saala chi, ị teele. Ka chi foo, ka ọ bọọ, larụ jụụ. Good night, sleep tight. Ije ọma, jee nke ọma. Safe trip, safe journey. Ka emesịa, ka ọ dị, lagbo, nagbo. Goodbye, see you later. Nnọọ, ịnatago, ịbatala, ịyọọla. Welcome, welcome back. Deme, daalụ, imeela, ịgbalịala. Thanks, thank you. Daalụ. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Check out our other videos. Once again, this is Ka anyị sụọ Igbo ụmụaka, where we provide resources to help parents teach their children Igbo, and also to help any adults who would like to learn Igbo. Thank you very much for watching.